Here I have DUODUOGO J6 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the date and time section. If you want to change your date and time manually, you have to disable this automatic date and time feature. Here you can set your date, here you can set your time. You can also change your time zone by disabling this feature, automatic time zone, and here you can select your time zone. And you can also change your time format here from 24-hour to 12-hour. And you can also change your date format. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.